Hey family, what's up? It's your girl Nuzla and I'm back with another video for you guys. Today I'm getting into a spa slash wellness video. The reason why I'm getting into this video, y'all, is because I have been dealing with a serious sinus infection for the past week. Don't worry, I have taken my tests and they're all negative, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I am sharing some tips and tricks with you guys just in case you guys probably are under the weather, you need something to brighten your day, or you just need to mentally de-stress. Alrighty guys, so without further ado, let's get into this video. This is what my setup looks like right now. I am so much in pain right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take a bath, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Hey y'all, so I decided to wash my hair because it was feeling a little oily, so I just went ahead and I did that, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do like a face mask, and I'm just gonna go ahead and enjoy the rest of the day. Alrighty guys, so now we're getting into the face mask, and we are using Indian healing clay. I got this from Face Values, I believe, or Amazon. I'll tag the link down in the description box below. But if you're ever looking for something for deep pore cleansing, highly recommend it. It really gets in there, girl, and it like. So what I did was I mixed mine up with some water, just a little bit of water. You don't even need that much because it kind of turns like this. So then now you would have to apply it, you know what I mean? But let's go ahead and apply this gunk to our faces. It's gonna burn a little bit, I'm letting you know now. I'm also planning on doing my nails. Comment below what color you think I should put on them because I really need to do my nails, girl. It's been a minute, alright? But you guys already know why, so I don't even need to go into explanation, alright? It's been a hell of a week. So let's get into this. I keep saying let's get into this face mask and I'm not putting it on my face. I'm also going to show you something that I do afterward to help clear up my face a little bit. Okay, so now let's Alrighty guys, so I just washed my face and I'm just gonna go ahead and scrape off the hairs that are on the side of my face just so I can have a smooth base for my makeup. I also like to scrape it off because like it makes my face look a little brighter. Okay, so this side is technically done. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the other side. This side I'm gonna need my camera. Wow. I'm gonna need my mirror for it because I really can't see. Really can't see. I'm also gonna do my mustache with this because, girl, if you see my eyebrows, you know my mustache ain't no better. Okay, so we just done did that, and now I kind of want to work on my eyebrows, but I don't want to mess it up just because my eyebrows is a lot right now to do. It's a lot. I mean, I'm gonna try my best, but I also have this eyebrow shaper too. I think it's really cool because it's really dedicated to shaping the eyebrows. So you could go all the way around with this one. And it's cute. now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off some excess hair. Girl, I'm telling you, if I messed it up, it's because you already know why. But they look better than they did before. So maybe they can stay for another week and we'll fix them next week. But what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go ahead and pluck out some hairs that are right here and right here that are not needed. Alright guys, so they're fairly decent, whatever. They'll grow out, they'll come back, and we'll do it again. I did cut myself here, and I did pinch myself here, but pain is in beauty, right? Unfortunately. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put something on my face because it feels a little dry. I just washed off the mask and I didn't put anything on. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put Clinique's Moisture Surge because it's more of like a gel kind of base and it really helps me get a lot of moisture from my face because that's what I need, first of all. And second of all, I like the fact that it's a gel and not like a cream base because sometimes you don't always want that creamy stuff on your face. So Also, if you guys wanted more information on the things that I use for my bath, I use these large plastic bath coverings. I got them on Amazon. I'll tag it down in the description below. But I use it because I don't feel comfortable sitting in my bathtub like that. Like, it don't sit right with me, okay? I also got these Dr. Teal bath bombs from Target. I really like them. I like the fact that it's eucalyptus and spearmint. It feels so good on your body. I also got Dr. Teal's sleep bath. This is a bubble bath product. I really like it because it helps to ease soreness in muscle joints, and it's for me. If it's for free, it's for me. No, I didn't get it for free, but Target, Dr. Teal's, you can sponsor this video. No, I'm joking. So that was pretty much all I used, and it helped take away some of the muscle soreness that I had. Yeah, like, if you guys ever need to take a bath, most definitely I recommend some Dr. Teal's and a bath cover. Alrighty guys, so that's all I have for you today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to come back to my channel. Alright, I really hope this video was bright and beautiful just like you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!